Hey guys! Having a pair of boots that will keep your feet safe when you're welding, will provide comfort when wearing them for long hours, and will last you years is something that we all want. Below are our recommendations for some of our favorite welding work boots that do all of those things. In this video, we are going to be checking out the best work boots welder. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's get started with the video. Our first best pick, Timberland Pro Men's 53530 Metguard Steel Toe Boot. The waterproof steel toe boot from Timberland was developed to meet ASTM safety standards. It contains a wide range of safety features to offer your feet the best possible protection. The Timberland Metguard Steel Toe Boot has a leather and rubber sole construction that is resistant to abrasion, slipping, and oil. The footwear is lightweight and flexible for optimal efficiency, and it is comfortable so you can work longer hours without fatigue. Users of these boots love the antimicrobial lining, the contoured membrane with a metatarsal shield, and the comfortable polyurethane footbed with a closed-cell design. One issue with this product is the relatively high price. However, this welding footwear has a long lifespan and is unlikely to require frequent replacement. Our second best pick, Dr. Martens Men's Ironbridge MGST Steel Toe Metguard Boot. The Ironbridge footwear from Dr. Martens is geared towards keeping your feet safe with several protective features. These welding work boots feature an oil and water-resistant full-grain leather upper, a slip-resistant synthetic sole, and a metatarsal guard that follows the natural shape of your foot for comfort and optimal protection. For accident protection, the Ironbridge has safety toe caps that protect your toes from a minimum of 200 J of impact and 15 knots compression force. You also get these with electrical hazard (ED) insulation. In addition to its foot guarding features, users are also pleased with the Ironbridge's comfort. The SmartMask PU cushioned insole is removable and allows for uninhibited blood circulation to prevent discomfort and fatigue. Some welders have a problem with the tight toe box, but buying one size up may solve this problem. Our third best pick, Iron Age Men's Groundbreaker IA5016 Work Boot. The IA5016 stands out in two respects, namely protection and durability. The boot's foot-guarding features include a 100% leather upper, steel toe cap, a slip-resistant synthetic sole, a metatarsal guard, and electrical hazard insulation. As a result of these features, the boot is compliant with ASTM F2413 standards. For added durability, the IA5016 features a Goodyear welt construction and Kevlar stitching. Users rave about how much hammering these boots can withstand without sustaining damage. The shaft length from the arch is 6.5 inches, which adds sufficient ankle support. When it comes to comfort, however, the IA5016 is a bit of a letdown. However, the shoe is roomy enough to add gel pads for more cushion. Our fourth best pick, Rockrooster Men's Work Boots. The Rockrooster's design emphasizes water resistance, and, as a result, it is a popular option for welders who work in shipyards and industrial settings like pipeline construction. These boots feature a steel toe cap, full-grain tumbled leather, and soles with rubber components that are slip-resistant. With this footgear, you can work in wet conditions without worrying about odor development, electrocution, or your feet getting wet. The boot features pour-on materials with micro-band technology, temperature control, and a waterproof membrane system with a quick-dry feature. The static control feature releases static electricity into the ground to keep you safe. The comfortable insoles with anatomically contoured footbeds offer complete support so you can work for long hours in total comfort. Users comment that this footwear is comfortable, but you may have to buy one size up as they run a bit small. Our fifth best pick, Caterpillar Men's Second Shift Steel Toe Work Boot. The Second Shift from Caterpillar is one of the more versatile entrants on this list. It is built around Goodyear welt construction that consists of 100% full-grain leather, a slip-resistant traction sole, and a steel toe guard. This welding boot is fitted with nylon mesh lining for added breathability and comfort, and it has a Climasphere insole for odor control. Because of its conventional appearance, this is an everyday pair of boots that you can wear when you enter your shop to start working. Those who wear these shoes are generally satisfied with the protection and durability that they have to offer. One issue is that the quality of the laces doesn't match that of the shoe, but you can easily replace them. Our sixth best pick, Thorogood Men's American Heritage 6 Mock Toe Safety Boot. The Thorogood safety shoe offers a ton of value in terms of comfort, durability, protection, and visual appeal. The protective features you get include a metal toe cover and a removable shock-absorbing footbed. The sole is slip-resistant, and the heels are capable of withstanding up to 18,000 volts for as long as 1 minute with zero current flow to your feet. These welding work boots were made in the United States, feature 100% full-grain leather, and have polyurethane emacewear wedge soles to ensure longevity. For added comfort and ankle protection, the shaft measures 6.5 inches from the arch, and they have pour-on comfort cushion insoles. As far as waterproofing and temperature insulation are concerned, however, these boots may not be the best option. Our seventh best pick, Thorogood Men's American Heritage 8 Mock Toe Safety Toe. The Thorogood Men's American Heritage shoe is incredibly versatile and suitable for a wide range of construction applications as well as everyday wear. The boots are made from 100% fuel-grade leather, and they are made in the United States. The footbed effectively absorbs shocks to your feet, and you have the option to remove it if you want. It is also fitted with a fiberglass shank instead of a steel one to support the boot's structure. As a result, it is equally rigid but doesn't conduct heat as steel shanks do. Users like the sturdiness of the American Heritage, which is mainly due to the Goodyear Storm welt construction. The pour-on comfort cushion insole also adds support and gives the shoe a luxurious feel. Our eighth best pick, Timberland Pro Men's Powerwelt Wellington Boot. The Timberland Wellington pull-on has several features that make it a favorite among welders and other construction workers. These welding work boots are made from premium, full-grain leather that is coated with Timberland Pro EverGuard for added water and heat resistance. The boots feature cambrel lining for breathability, an ergonomic design, and climate control technology to maintain your feet's temperature and prevent moisture buildup. To allow for extended wear, the Timberland Wellington features a roomy front, a polyurethane foam bed with resilient cushioning, and a single-density outer sole that is slip-resistant. Reviewers are generally pleased with the lightweight and sturdy Goodyear welt construction. The soles tend to pick up mud relatively quickly, but you can easily hose them down without any problems. Our ninth best pick, Caterpillar Men's Revolver Pull-On Steel Toe Boot. The Revolver pull-on boots from Caterpillar give a step away from the noise in terms of durability with its full-grain leather upper, Goodyear welt construction, and T3 rubber outsoles for optimal grip and slip resistance. This boot meets all OSHA standards and comes with several safety features that include a metal cap and insulation to prevent electric shocks. The nylon mesh lining also provides complete breathability to prevent overheating and moisture buildup. As is often the case with this type of footwear, though, they tend to be on the smaller size, and you may have to buy one size up. Our 10th best pick, Dr. Martens Men's Icon Industrial Strength Steel Toe Boot. Dr. Martens Icon boots are suitable for wear by both men and women and have a wide range of features that make them a viable option for protection when welding. These steel toe boots feature water-resistant leather upper as well as full quarter and vamp lining. The air-cushioned sole is resistant to fat, oil, acid, and fuel. Because of the electrical hazard insulation and metal cap that protects the front, this welding safety shoe is compliant with ANSI and OSHA standards. People who wear this pair of welding boots every day are pleased with their ability to conform to the foot's natural shape. One problem that some people have, though, is that the toe area is somewhat cramped. If you are the everyday working man, then you will no doubt want to make sure that your arms, legs, and all of your body parts are fully protected from any sort of workplace damages. Especially, if you are someone who is working in a potentially dangerous sector such as welding and construction, then you will know the importance of proper safety and protective gear. We have reviewed some of the top welding boots in the market so that you are left with an easier choice to make between 10 of the best among the many hundreds in the market. It is true that not every single working boot will be the ideal choice for you. Based on the strengths and weaknesses discussed in the review, and your personal requirements, choose the most appropriate one. Be sure to glance over the things to be considered before buying your next pair of welding boots. Is this video making value to your search? If yes, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.